Hey guys, this is Paul here with Freedom Vessel. I just wanted to give you a quick tour of this 4x4 Sunrader. This is my good buddy CJ's. He's had this for quite a few years, and I think he's got a little bit of a pinch because I'm at his house here and he needs to sell it to help finish his remodel. So this thing is beautiful. It's got 4-wheel drive. For those of you that know, the Sunrader is the ultimate 18-foot fiberglass motorhome. It's got brand new tires, everything in it works. It's super clean, really nice recreational vehicle. So check it out. So we'll go ahead and take a look inside. You see here entering straight in. Got the shower, the long hose, you can pull it outside. Toilet. Got the upper bunk area here. You can sleep up here. Beautiful views out the windows. This is gonna move, climb into the cockpit area here. Obviously, you see you've got the 4-wheel drive. Has 72,000 miles on it, and really custom cushion driver seats. Brand new stove. Nice little diamond plate backsplash. All your control panels here, upper cabinets, that fan. This also becomes a bed right here. You can drop this down, make this a bed. Got your vents, lighting, interior lighting. You can put curtains on the back, but this has all been redone. Super nice, and gonna make a nice little camper van for somebody. So check it out. If you need some more information on this, you can hit me up on Freedom Vessel Instagram.